Hello friends, welcome to this podcast episode. I am Alex, your host. I hope all of you are doing well. Today's episode is going to focus on the features of a good hostel management software system. Needless to say, managing the operations of a hostel manually is a daunting task. That's why the majority of people use automated software for better management of their hostels. If you are looking for the best hostel management software, I recommend FrontDesk Master. You may wonder, why am I recommending this specific company over others? Well, the hostel management software system of FrontDesk Master comes with the most advanced features. Online room booking, digital payment, and automated invoicing are some of the features of this software. Using this software, hostel owners can conveniently streamline all of their hostel operations. FrontDesk Master offers a free 30-day trial period of the software to every user. To get this software, contact the professionals of FrontDesk Master by calling at +44 20 8133 0267 for more information. Kindly visit their website at https://www.frontdeskmaster.io/ That's all for today. Thank you for listening to this podcast episode. I have to bid you goodbye. Stay tuned for more